I had an intermittent problem with my Carver Cascade 2 water heater. The gas would ignite but then extinguish several seconds later. The root cause of this problem was the flame not being detected after the gas was ignited. The method used to detect the presence of a flame is not by heat, but by a method called flame rectification. This works on the principle that a gas flame between the gas burner and the electrode increases the electrical conductivity between them, and also this conductivity is greater in one current direction than the other. The controller applies an AC voltage to the electrode, and if a flame is present, a small AC current will flow through the flame between the electrode and the gas burner, which will be greater in one direction than the other. This will rectify the AC current and generate a small DC voltage on the electrode, which the controller can detect. I suspected that the gas flame from my burner was not large enough for the flame to be detected, so I proceeded to dismantle the gas mechanism from the water heater. The flue cover is held in place with 4 crosshead screws. The gas burner cover plate is held in place with 2 small crosshead screws. The plate is removed by pulling out at the bottom and then sliding it downwards. With the gas turned off, I then switched on the water heater in order to observe the spark ignition. With the gas turned on, I then switched on the water heater again in order to observe the gas burning. The gas flame did not look high enough, which would explain why the flame detector did not always detect the ignited gas. With the gas turned off at the bottle, I removed the complete gas module, which is held in place with 2 screws behind the gas valve, which are difficult to see. I removed the gas burner and cleaned all the gas outlet holes using an air duster. Note the earth wire that is held on one of the burner mounting bolts. This provides an electric circuit for the spark ignition and flame detection. Using a spanner, I unscrewed the brass gas jet from its housing and cleaned it using a length of electric bell wire of 0.6 mm diameter. I pushed the wire into the jet hole, twisting the jet as it went in. I continued until the wire went all the way through. I then pushed and pulled the wire through the hole several times. This removed the residue build-up inside the jet. I reassembled the water heater and tried it out. The gas flames look much better now, and the intermittent problem I had of the gas cutting off after the 8-second timeout does not now occur.